How to install and get Instagram on any smart TV. I'm going to tell you how to install and use Instagram on any smart television, even if there's no native app. First, check your TV's app store. Most smart TVs like LG, Samsung, or Vida don't have an official Instagram app, but that's okay because there are workarounds. Option 1, use the web browser. Open your TV's browser and go to Instagram.com. Log in. You won't get the full features like DMs or posting, but you can scroll, view stories, and watch reels in a large format. Option 2, screen mirror from your phone. On iPhone, use AirPlay if your TV supports it. On Android, use Smart View or Cast. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Just open Instagram on your phone and mirror the screen to your TV. Option 3, use a streaming device. Got a Fire Stick, Chromecast, or Android TV box? You can sideload the Instagram APK using downloader or install a browser like TV Bro to access Instagram's web version.